Welcome back to the channel. So it's Friday, so I'm just going to keep this short and sweet. I've had another delivery today. A couple of boxes, a red one, Milwaukee, green one, Makita, and another one at the bottom, just there. So, if you watched my last video, you would have known, you'd have seen that I was back on the tools. Now, I do like my tools. I've got quite a lot of tools. I don't use them very often. But now that I employ 2 people on the tools, they seem to nick mine all the time. So, great excuse to buy new tools. So when I was on that job, I was fitting a PVC door. I'll click the video here to watch that one. As I was going along, I needed a little hoover. I needed just little bits and bobs like that. So, great excuse to buy new tools. And that's what's in these boxes. I'm going to do a quick, very quick unboxing now because it is 5:10 home time. So let's just show you what's in the boxes. Right, we'll start with this one. It's a bit obvious what it is. Lawnmower. Battery powered, 18 volt. I'm not convinced it's going to cut the grass in my garden because it's like a jungle. But the reason why I went for Makita is, 1, it was the cheapest at the moment. 2, we've got about 9 batteries. That's pretty much it. So that's going straight home. No need to unbox that one. Now this one, it was between a hoover or a radio. So I can use my phone as a radio, so I did the responsible adult thing and paid £180 for this hoover. No one reads them. Nice. So this is a Milwaukee hoover. I'm just trying to figure out where you put the battery. All nice and compact. I'm slowly moving over to Milwaukee. I was a big Makita fanboy. I just prefer it for some reason at the minute. Everything's so nice and compact and things like that. And this is an M12 as well, so I still don't know where you put the battery. So with me not being on the tools much and having a little van, I like to go and do the small remedials that we may get. So having the M12 system, they're a lot smaller, a lot more compact, and it all fits in nicely into my little van. Next one. I think this is upside down. Yeah. No, it's not. Little worktop for on top of my pack outs. What's in this one? I can't remember what I bought. I don't know if that's good or a bad thing. Okay. So this is the multi-tool M12. I actually thought it'd be a little bit smaller than that, but I went for this version because it's got the quick lock, so you can quickly get the blades in and out. Couple of batteries. Ooh, look at this little thing. It's got all the accessories in. Now I tend to chuck these boxes that they come in or sell them. So if you're watching this and you're in Lincoln and you want some boxes, come and get them. Look at this. SDS, looks like a toy. So that is an M12 SDS. And that will fit nice and perfect in the little van. Now this will not fit in a little van. Oh, it might do, but I'm going to have to configure my van in a different way. I don't think I can have any glass rack in it anymore. Woohoo! So, yeah. Look at that, look. Can't see it, but I've got this little toolbox. I think it will go in the van. If you watch my last video, I like to get all my ripping out tools together, do the job, put them away, get all my installation tools out, do that, put them away, and then get the finishing off tools out and put them away. I think this is going to help with that. If you're not familiar with the pack out system, they all just slide in, so they're all interchangeable. So my screw box can slide onto that, I can just wheel it onto site then. That's what's brilliant about the Milwaukee pack out. So happy with that. I could put some dust sheets in that, and then I can build it up as I go along, because this comes in, you can get this and 2 other toolboxes with it, or you can buy that on its own. I don't think I need the other toolboxes just yet, and if I spend any more money on tools that I probably don't need, the missus is going to kill me. So if I don't film any more videos after this, it's because she's killed me. So that was just a quick one for tonight. I will do a proper unboxing at some point. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.